central Mississippi. Northeastern Yazoo County in central Mississippi. Madison County in central Mississippi. Until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Crosbyville to Goodland to near Laville, moving south at 50 miles per hour. Hazard
70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect
considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near around 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Camden and Singleton around 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Redwater, Benton, and Winthrow around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Farmington, Vaughan, and Edinburgh around 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Way around
9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Standing Pine and Madden around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Walnut Grove and Sharon around 10:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Canton around 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Jackson has northeastern Louisiana, western Yazoo County, and central Mississippi.
God, I was just about to get something.
West central Mississippi, Sharkey County.
Well, I was
west
getting
central
something. I meant.
until 11 p.m.
Now there's
Central
just a
Daylight
thunderstorm.
At 9:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Indianola
Gosh, are you kidding me?
to near Wilmette, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Jeez.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Pantherburn and Grace around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Elk Grove and Goodwill around 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mayersville, Anguilla, and Forest around 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rolling Fork and Pioneer around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cary and Darnell around 10:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Epps, Monticello, and onward around 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Yazoo City and Valley Park around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tinsley around 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service